Hi everyone, Greg Davis at MarineMax in Savannah. I want to give you a quick tour of the 2019 Boston Whaler 190 Montauk. It was redesigned in 2018. Bigger console, a lot wider. Really nice boat. This one's paired with a 150 Mercury 4-stroke. Has the teak package. Take a second to walk you through here real quick. As you can see, this one is fully equipped. Powder coated T-top, the Raymarine electronics package, the Axiom VHF, Fusion stereo. This one also includes the fishing package, trolling motor panel, bow cushion. The new design has great seating up front, drink holders, tackle storage on the side. This one has the teak package, very large live well that's lit. C-Star hydraulic steering. Plenty of room for fishing and family. For more information on this Boston Whaler or any other, you can give us a call here in Savannah, 912-897-9881. Thank you very much.